Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Yahoo Mail app. After you open up your Yahoo Mail app, next thing you need to do is to click on this icon right here. And the next thing you need to do is to come to settings. Then scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to manage account privacy. That's going to take you right here. Click on your privacy controls. Then in some cases, you may be asked to log in with your Yahoo username and password. Make sure you enter your password. Then once you log in, it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to security. And you will be taken right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on password right here. Then here, you will need to enter your new password. So click on here, go ahead and click on here and enter your new password. And make sure you involve some character. Once you enter your new password, click on continue and the password will be changed. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Yahoo Mail on phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.